Hello Stampers, this is super awesome stamper Shirley Merker. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Wisconsin, USA. I'm excited to announce these are my kits in the mail for April 2026. They will be demonstrated live during the One of a Kind Facebook event on May 2nd, 2026. So here's what's included in your kits for this month. I have 4 different pattern papers. They are cut to size, but we will need to cut them down from the Homemade Sweetness. There are 3 sheets of basic white cardstock in your kit, 1 for the sentiments and 3 of the same size for the inserts. Your supplies are tucked inside these cello envelopes. You'll get a strip of the Strawberries and Dots, brand new embellishment, self-adhesive, and a strip of the Garden Epoxy Dots. 3 crushed curry cardstocks, and some images you'll need to fussy cut of mini jars and full jars. They're shipped in these envelopes, and so look in your mail for an envelope like that. You will need to add all of your favorite adhesives: tear and tape, tape runner, liquid glue, paper piercing tool, paper snips, and bone folder. In addition to, we'll need to do some cutting, so you'll have to add a paper trimmer. And then I use the Notes and Totes stamp set and the crushed curry ink pad to complete my cards. So go to my blog at superawesomestamper.com, click on Kits in the Mail or the One of a Kind icon for the details and ordering. Have a great day. We'll stamp with you soon. Bye.